The Model Boat. A reader by Jolly Phonics. Let's explore it together. Look at that boat. Zach and his Gramps liked to go down to the model boating lake, which was close to Gramps' house. In the summer, there were regattas on the lake. Lots of big model sailing boats took part in them. Zach had a little model boat, but it was too small to compete with the big ones. Zach and Gramps wished they had a big sailing boat too. Gramps sent off for a kit, as he was very good at building things. This bit is tricky. Here is the sail. When it arrived, Zach helped Gramps make a model sailing boat from the kit. It took them a long time. The boat was made of plastic. She had tall sails with ribbon flags at the top, and an extra set of sails for windy weather. They called her Jackamar. Gramps made a stand for the boat's long keel, and they sat her on a shelf in his living room. When she was completely finished, Gramps and Zach took Jackamar to the boating lake. They set her on the lake, and off she sailed. "She looks fantastic," said Zach. "Yes," Gramps agreed. Zach ran around the lake, and was just in time to stop Jackamar from crashing into the side. Then he sailed her back to the Gramps. It was windy, and there were quite big waves on the lake. "We did it!" Jackamar bobbed up and down. Zach and Gramps sailed Jackamar back and forth across the lake. Suddenly, they spotted that she was starting to sink. "You can do it!" "Come on," Zach begged the boat. "Sail a bit more." "You can do it." He stretched his arm out and tried his hardest to get hold of her. But it was no good. Jackamar was just too far out on the lake. "Help! She is sinking!" shouted Zach, starting to panic. Soon only the boat's flags were left sticking out of the lake. "Gramps!" he wailed miserably. "Help!" Gramps ran around the side of the boating lake to Zach. Without stopping to worry about his boots or trousers, he stepped into the lake and started to wade out. It got deeper and deeper, but Gramps kept going. As soon as he got to where the boat's flags were sticking up, he grabbed them. He lifted up the boat and waved at Zach, who clapped and jumped about on the side of the lake. Gramps staggered back to give Zach the Jackamar. "Got it!" Zach took the boat, and then helped Gramps out of the lake. Gramps was very wet and muddy. "Thank you! I'm so glad you saved her," cried Zach, giving Gramps a big hug. "Thank you!" Gramps gave Zach a wet smile. "I think we had better go home," he said. At home, Zach helped as Gramps dried himself off. Then they examined Jackamar together. She must have a hole in her somewhere, Gramps explained. They looked and looked for it, until Gramps spotted a small metal pipe sticking out of the hole. There, he exclaimed. We must have forgotten to fill that when we made her. Gramps filled in the end of the little metal pipe. There we are, all finished, he said, and smiled at Zack. When that has dried, we can take her to the lake. She will not sink this time. There we are. Next weekend, Zack and Gramps went down to the boating lake again with Zack proudly carrying Jacomar. Look! There were lots of boats sailing on the lake, as there was going to be a regatta. Zack and Gramps hoped to take part this time. Zack entered Jacomar in the regatta for children under 10. He set the sails and waited for the start. Crack! Went the starter's pistol, and Zack let go of Jacomar. She skimmed across the lake with the rest of the boats. Come on, Jacomar, Zack shouted, loudly. He ran around to the far side of the lake to catch his boat. Then back across the lake she sailed. Come on, shouted Gramps. You can do it. Come on, Zack. Well, said Zack, at the end of the regatta. We did not win, but I had a brilliant time. Can we bring Jacomar to the next regatta too, Gramps? Yes, smiled Gramps, and perhaps next time we will win. Zack and Gramps went home together, with Zack still proudly carrying Jacomar. Have you enjoyed the reader, the model boat? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Arcel Academy, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content.